is only one book to build, help me to speak fluent English, to communicate with the people. This is the book. Okay, I show you the book name, Build Don't Talk, from Raj Shavani. They are the Indian biggest podcaster right now, right? And now I speaking myself, and this is the things about what I've told you. All are my room. Here is these things. Here is the India map. There is the world map. There is the all our squares. Because of that, here is my sister's a banking preparation. They have the all other notes to here inside the room, and yeah, that's a thing. A lot of people how I practice in English. Now I'm share with you something how I practice in English. Okay, and this is chapter number 1, and this is chapter number anything. The chapter number 9. The chapter number is 9. Don't focus on your goals. Focus your daily habits. 34th page. Okay. Now I'm opening the 34th page. The chapter number 9. Okay. This is chapter number 9. I show you. Don't focus on your goal. Okay. Now I read it. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? You have done your graduation. What next? What next? What is your 10-year plans? Be it a job interview, a praying relative, or a concert friend, and everyone keep asking you, what next? What next? What are your goals? I say, to hell with your goal. Mainly, that is a very important things I underline on in this paragraph. All are things I read it now. You understood? Okay. Why you ask? Oh, because I'm asking to you. Just kidding. Basically, I'm asking to you not lose your sanity. Sanity. SANITY over your goals, because trust me, that's exactly how you all screw up your own life. Okay, that is step by step, meaning by meaning, to underline the new vocabulary that use your daily basis, and that is important. Okay, and second thing, I will tell you how things went down with me. I was trying to learn something as basic as driving a car. Of course, I was taught well by my instructor, my dad, who advised me to not just take his car and hit the road, but that I needed practice to perfect my driving skills. That is important. Okay, now when we talk about driving, all we think about are pressing that accelerator on the brake at the right time. But think again, is driving a car that easy? Underline. Do you really just need to focus on steering and those brake while driving? No. The drive a car without practically landing in jail. You need to know more than just traffic rules, how to park, etc. Similarly, use your daily basis. Similarly, to achieve life goals, you need to do more than just identify what they are. Are you understood what he's saying? You need to have a path that all take you to your destination. You need to have a path for reach your destination. Okay, and for the longest time in my life, even I just focus on what my goals where I would observe over scrolling a good percentage in 12th standard. I would literally wake up and go to sleep every day with that one thought stuck in my head. The young me thought that if I kept on filling my brain with that idea, then maybe I would kick my own ass and to do the needful. But the young me never sat down to map out how to get that good percentage. That navies me never thought about what it is that I am doing wrong. It took me all these years to finally figure out the importance of the process. I just never knew what the barrier between me and my grand success was. I just keep wondering what was pulling me down. क्या चीज़ है जो मुझे पुल कर रही है डाउन देने के लिए. And that is the practice in this book. This is a book. I recommended you must read one time to after reading this book you research your inner self, not the outside what people think about me. You understood automatically, research your inner side. What is the best quality for you? What is the best thing for you, or what you really love? If you really like this video, please comment and subscribe this channel, and I will show you next video how you speak fluent English communication anything anywhere in the world. Follow for next video. See you soon. Bye.